Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you the Cocobrush Ultra Soft Toothbrush. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get it opened up and I'll show you what it looks like. These toothbrushes are specifically designed to be 16% more effective with the soft cloud tiered micro bristles that help sweep away any plaque and give us a sparkle in no time. Unlike many other toothbrushes out there that are firm and medium, which can harm the enamel or gums, this toothbrush is designed with those cloud soft bristles that have tips which are 75% finer and gentle for sensitivity as well. Plus, it is also lightweight and easy to take around while traveling or other purposes. It is made of recycled material and is also kid-friendly. If you are in the market for ultra soft high quality toothbrushes, this is definitely worth looking into.